Hey guys, it's Victorino. Ituturo ko ngayon kung paano mag-testing ng fire alarm system. Okay? Let's begin. Okay, pupunta naman tayo dito sa fire alarm control panel. So, isi-set up natin ang simulation test dito sa monitor. Click menu and click the user level 2 and click OK. Then enter the password 2222 apat na 2 and click login. Then click disablement and choose number 1 new disablement and click OK. Choose number 6 and click OK. Either you choose number 1 zone or number 2 zone. Zone 1 is combination of smoke detectors and manual call point in accommodation. And zone 2, combination of smoke detectors and manual call points in engine room. After you set up the test mode simulation, you can see the indicator of test and zone. Okay. Umpisaan na natin ang pag-test sa smoke detector using smoke tester. Alright guys. Gagamitin natin para isprehan ang smoke detector. Pag nakita mo nag-activate ang detector, nakita mo ang circle na red light indicator. Okay, yun guys. Nag-activate na ang smoke detector. Okay, let's proceed to the other detector and spray using smoke tester. The same procedure to the other detector. Yun, nag-activate uli ang smoke detector. Okay, let's proceed to the manual call point. Using this black key, we'll insert this in the hole of manual call point and pull down the cover to activate this manual call point. Alright guys, ayos. Yan, activated na yan. Okay, let's go back to the main panel monitor and click the menu button to return the normal mode of this monitor. Click disablement number 3 and click OK and choose number 2 less disablement and click OK. Ayos guys, you see in the monitor disablement zone 1 and click the button reset to return normal mode of this fire alarm control panel monitor. I hope you like this video at huwag kayong magsawang manood sa next video. I hope you like this video at huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa next video. Thank you and God bless.